Hello there, welcome to another video. I just arrived at the location. I just have to throw away the rucksack and get in photography action because I think the clouds are gonna disappear in the evening. So I had to take advantage of this fantastic moody clouds laying over these fantastic mountains, which is called Trollveggen. Oh, this is just amazing. Hello there and welcome to another video. In this episode I'm going up on a mountain ridge which got this fantastic, amazing views of the surrounding mountains. I promise you it's gonna be really special. Now I'm just sitting in my car because it's pouring down outside and it's strong winds. So I really hope the weather changes for the better, but we'll see. Fantastic. Crazy stuff. Crazy light. Well, that was a fantastic sunset. I don't think I have seen anything like it. I panicked and I don't know if I found any good compositions. I just stare at the sunset and the light and was paralyzed really. So I hope there's some photos to be had from that amazing session. Sorry about it was so little filming from that fantastic sunset. The light about half an hour before the sunset was really crazy. It was blocked by low clouds and then it went, the sunrise just went straight up behind those mountains there, Trollveggen. So that was just amazing. The last time I was there, it was about blue sky, so this was so different. The only problem, I struggled to find some decent compositions, so I'm not absolutely sure if I got some photos, but at least I got some straightforward photos, you know, just composing on the mountains and the light. I got that, but I don't know if I got some great photos with the nice foreground, middle ground and the mountains in the background. Not sure, but this hike and this wall camp got a bit hectic. It was so various weather. It was pouring down when I came and it was slippery and wet. When I walked up this mountain, I was really tired when I got up here. And it came some small rain showers now and then, so I had to choose between the photographing, because when I arrived here there was some great mood and clouds too then, so I chose to photograph and wait a bit with the tent. But as you'll see in another video, that never seemed to be a clever idea, because if it's pouring down, before you have pitched your tent, that you're in big trouble. But I was lucky it wasn't that heavy rain shower, so it was okay today. And I really hope I get some good conditions tomorrow too. The weather prediction is way too much clouds, but it's gonna lift, so I hope the clouds lift a bit earlier than predicted. Good morning. It's some minutes past sunrise. It's 10 past 7 now, I think. It's not your typical sunrise, but the clouds are lifting and there's some nice hues and colors in the clouds still. It's very cold actually, so I have all the clothes on and gloves, and I think I'm gonna go and try and do some more photos when the clouds are lifting. Hope to get some nice colors even though it's past sunrise. Even though the conditions were quite dull when I woke up before sunrise, right now it's fantastic and it's still golden hour. We got the light on those mountains in the background, and I'm trying to use this little puddle as a foreground. And now there's really great photos to be had all over the place. Also trying to zoom in to get those mountains closer to the foreground. Well, I've packed on my camp and hiked down to the car. I'm just hiking around in this area. We got some great small streams down there with this mountain, Romsdalshorn, in the background. It's very little water here now, so the stream and the river was very small. But this lake is looking great. And even though it's in the daylight, it's looking great because of those fast moving clouds there. Well, I'm gonna pack it up now. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and comment. And if you like my channel, remember to subscribe too. I drove 300 kilometers to be here, so I don't think I'm finished quite yet. I think I have to do another night in this fantastic area, Romsdalen. So I'm considering a night in tent at the plateau above Trollveggen, which is a famous road with a lot of S-curves. It has been closed for a couple of years, but now it's open again, so I have to go there. So stay tuned for more videos from this area very soon. For now, until next time, see you.